Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal Quiet Deluxe that doesn't want to work. It doesn't want a space, no space action. It does go back by pushing it. The carriage is good. I was binding a little bit, but that's not it. I think it's got a sticky escapement. I peeked under here already. Let's take a look again on camera, see if we can figure this out. It's just a very tight spot down in here. Seems like it's impossible to put on camera, so I'm going to try to zoom in here a little bit here, see if I can get to what I want to get to in here as far as video goes. Okay, so right there, about the center of the frame, is the escapement pawl. See if I can get some light, some kind of light down here. Okay, so if I put my spring hook in here, we're looking at these parts right here, right there. Give myself a little red arrow thing. So we're looking at that paw right there, and this little rocker. So here, when I move the space bar, you see that piece moving right there. And what I have a feeling is this tooth on the star wheel right here is hanging up on this paw that's protruding right there. So if I push that in, then the space bar action moves a little. I can back the carriage up and kind of get up to space. No, maybe not. But I know that paw is sticking, because when I back this up, you can see it sticking in here. See that sticking right there. That should be moving freely right there. So I'm going to zap this with just a little bit of lacquer thinner right there. Try to get this in the right spot. See if I can at least get that paw. There it goes. That's just snapping free. I still think there's a secondary. Nope, that's it. That takes care of the space bar. That sticky paw. That's pretty common, actually. So that little paw that's moving right there, that was the sticky culprit right there. So flush that out, light lube it, and that might solve your particular spacing problem. There it goes. All right, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.